Top 5 reasons why your hairs are falling out. Number 1, most common reason for hair loss is androgenetic alopecia or a male pattern baldness. Usually the male suffers with it, but females can also suffer. So the most common reason is androgenetic alopecia in men and hormonal imbalance in women. So the second most common reason for a hair loss is hormonal. It could be PCOD, it could be premenopausal, it could be menopausal. There can be multiple reasons or hormonal things which can lead to hair loss. Number 3 is deficiency. If you are having severe deficiency of vitamin D, iron, or any other form of deficiency which is essential for hair regrowth, you can lose hair. Fourth is the disease. So remember, a lot of patients lose hair when they were sick 4 months back. So when you are sick, you will not lose hair. You will lose hair after 3 to 4 months of that. So disease, pregnancy, stress, these all things can add to hair loss. Fifth and very uncommon reason is change of place. So if you are living in India and you shift to London or US, you will see a significant amount of hair loss after 2 to 3 months. Or even if you have moved to India from any other country, you will see a lot of hair loss happening after 3 to 4 months. In these, most of the hair loss is treatable, and with adequate treatment and guidance, you can get them treated.